Ata Maori e wānau, whānau, however you want to say it from wherever you're from, whāmare, whāmere. So, like most people, you work Monday to Friday and you have the weekends off. So yeah, even though you're learning every single day. So today's kupu or today's place name is Otara. That's Otara. Yeah, there's nothing really difficult to say about this place out South Auckland, even though everyone calls it Otara or the Bronx. Yes, I suppose the hardest part in this word or this place name is the R, rolling the R. Like I explained in one of our place names last week, I think Whangarei. The way you want to pronounce the R is like how a cat purrs, alright, like brrr, brrr. So you want to actually put your tongue, sort of the tip of your tongue, just in behind the top of your teeth, your top teeth, behind your top teeth, just at the roof of your mouth there, alright, just relax it, and then just slowly sort of, oh man, how do you explain that? I don't know. Anyway, but that's how you sort of roll your R, right? At the top, put the tip of your tongue at the top of your roof, at the top of your mouth, the roof top of your mouth. All right. Anyway, repeat after me. O, ta, ra. All right. There's no macarons in that place name, so you don't need to stress your vowels. Okay, you need to keep all your vowels short in that place name. O, ta, ra. Right, so there's no Otara or Otara. Okay, it's O, ta, ra. Again, O, ta, ra. All right, and you want to sort of blunten the sound of the T. So it's not a T, it's a almost the sound of a D, but not quite. All right, so do that again. O, ta, ra. And we get faster. O, ta, ra. O, ta, ra. Otara. 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 Wow, that was easy. Have a good morning. Thriving up.